Hi guys, so welcome back to Toni-Anne's channel, and today we are doing a green look and a purple look. So Toni-Anne's gonna do it on me, and then I'm gonna do it on her.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, and subscribe.
Exactly.
And click the bell. Make sure to click the bell, or you won't be part of the Toni-Anne squad.
The Toni-Anne squad, is that what it's called?
No, actually the Ariane squad.
Oh, Ariane.
Toni-Anne squad.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, get started now?
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm gonna zoom in to Ariane's face.
Woo!
So she has her eye base on already.
I love doing videos of Toni-Anne. She's the best.
And it's been a long time, innit?
Yeah, it has been a long time. And it feels like I'm just on my own doing it.
Oh yeah, because I'm not on camera now.
Yep.
Right, I'll be back. We're using the Lorac Pro, the artistry book, the chapter 2. So move your head back.
You can right see from here.
So because it's
Look
summer,
at that stain on that body. It's just a song that I heard.
The colour I'm using is called Trust Fund,
which is the best colour ever.
Yeah, because it's been hot, I haven't been filming as much, so seeing as Ariane was round, I thought let's do something.
And then before we done this, I asked Mummy, well, Toni-Anne told me to say to Mummy that I was gonna stay long, and she said yes. So that's why we did this video.
Yeah. So I just packed on Trust Fund on her eyes. Very, very, very dusty colour, but we got there in the end. And
yeah.
Then I'm going to go into.
And I have this lip gloss from Toni-Anne, which is she's the best, and she's the beautiful and gorgeous sister. And also Shyon is.
Zoom in again.
Woo! On Ariane's face.
Ariane's face.
I don't know why I'm doing that, but.
Well, your lips dry.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna put what colour is it? Whoops.
She dropped it.
Almost. I didn't drop it. I'm gonna put the colour Tiffany on the under eye. Ariane is now going to do my eyes.
Continue with it. I'm making sure it's not going on my eye. I think I'm going very red actually. I'm sorry. I'm actually think I am. So I'm gonna go in the corner. And then just do that.
So all over my lid you're putting this colour.
Yes.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I was just putting it in the corner, but I think so. Now I'm gonna go into the other eye. I'm just going to let me go. Stab it in.
You're stabbing it in?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. If it fall out, but it's okay, I'll do it later. So, that, I think I'm gonna do the other eye back first. So that, I think I'm gonna do the bottom now.
Okay, so I'll give you a different brush to do your bottom. What colour are you using?
I am gonna use purple under your eye.
Yeah, the colour is called Trust Fund. Yeah. Trust Fund. So that one there is what we're going to use.
Yeah. This colour.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to like do it properly. I think from last year I actually did it bad, but
Yeah, no, you're doing a good job.
are you sure I'm doing a good job?
Yeah.
Because if she's telling lies, then that means I'm gonna be upset. But I think she's telling the truth, so I want to be a nice sister. So I think I'm gonna go for the other eye now.
Okay.
So let me get some more colour from it. Okay, I'm just gonna do. But I'm going to like do the other eye more. I'm finished.
So you finish with my eye. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. And then you can put on my blush and my lips. Yeah?
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. So I'm going to put on, while we're still here, I'll finish Ariane's face.
So I'm gonna entertain you guys when she's finding what she needs. That when me and Mummy was going to Asda, we saw this man stealing from Asda, and police pulled up.
Is it?
Yep, police pulled up. And then there's another guy comes, and then a lady comes in as well.
And what happened?
And then
Oh, you're not on
police arrested him, I think.
Is it?
And I also saw a guy when he was riding a bike. I saw his like hairy like at his back, and then I saw like at his back, and then you see like the wide part a little bit.
Oh, okay.
And it was so hairy, and I was like, ew! And I even told Mummy because it was so disgusting.
LOL.
Jesus.
Back. That's eye base.
I like doing makeup videos, but if I'm good and do homework.
Close your eyes. Okay, so I've done most of my face, and now Ariane is going to do my blush. She's using the
This is broken on the top.
Yeah, it's the burnt pepper blush from MAC. Okay, not too crazy.
So is it? So
Tap off the brush.
You go off here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, up here. Okay.
Mhm.
Oh wow.
Is it bright?
Now look in look.
Yeah. So up here, down there.
Okay. Like that.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm on the other side. Okay.
What?
The window's open, so why are you so hot? Or
Hold on,
is
it's
it?
a light. Lip gloss are you gonna use?
I am going to use Dull Gloss Beauty.
Doll Beauty.
Dull Beauty
Yeah.
Honey
Pot.
Pot.
Yeah. So, go put it on.
Okay. It's so quiet.
Yeah.
So
You're concentrating.
yeah.
Okay, that's
Carry on.
okay. That's enough.
Okay, that's.
Yeah, you can put some on yours.
Yeah, because I have a half.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna finish getting ready. Just gonna take the headband. We're gonna take the headbands off,
Woo.
and I'm gonna put some lashes on, and then we'll come back and show you the final look. Alright, so lashes are on. These are in the style Daydream. If they're on properly, probably not because I'm being rushed. There's her new hairstyle done by Cheyenne. So yeah, so here is our final looks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.